are there here. Here, newcomers. So this is your course, the details here. Okay. Okay. And this is your time period. Okay. For your class, we are covering tools on denormalizations and normalizations, PLSQL, as well as dynamic SQL. Okay. The newcomers, especially. If anybody is there online and offline, okay, those people, so check it out here. This is your duration of this course here, and this is what we are going to be learning in this. Okay. And some notes and everything in Google Classroom, it will be sending to you. Okay. So about your notes and materials. Okay. And okay. And data storages. So books and papers, flat files, PBMS. Okay. Flat files, the drawbacks, what kind of drawbacks are there in the flat files. Okay. And each drawback, okay, we can be stored into tabular formats, and the table is nothing but collection of rows and columns. Row records tuples we called as different names for your rows, and the same as column attribute and fields. A row is nothing but group of columns. Okay. And these all databases are depends on what? No, SQL. So that means the relational database management systems, okay, these are all working and depends on completely SQL language. And these are the some software tools for your object relationals. Okay, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase. So these are some examples of softwares which was comes under object relations. And later the second module also there in the TVM in relational, that is called as what now? Object oriented. So this object oriented databases can store your data in the objects formats. And here, these databases, whenever you want to interacting here, compulsory you should know the good knowledge of object oriented programming language knowledge is required for you whenever you want to interacting with the object oriented. And these databases, okay, not depends on SQL, so that these are called as what now? No SQL databases also we can call. And here's some examples of softwares we taken out here: MongoDB, Cassandra. So this kind of tools are comes under object oriented is a different platform people, and especially who are working on object oriented side, those people are okay learning these courses, and these are separate courses. Okay. And one more thing, what now? So this is the session one we started on 17th year. So this part up. Along with Oracle. Okay, so the first initially, what is the first version of your Oracle means Oracle 1.0, and up to 19C we have here, and very latest version we have here Oracle 21C. Okay, now, so this is what we discuss. Okay, clear now? The newcomers, is it clear or not? Now onwards we will be started our main things. Okay, right. And now I said here the versions, I said there are 1.0 to 19C, up to 19C we have here, and in this course also we are learning up to 19C. Let me go for the what is the differences of your versions, like 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 7.0, Oracle 8i, 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, and 19C. So in each version, okay, which kind of the futures was introducing by your Oracle Corporation people. Okay, no? So that what it is, and each version along with their futures. Now we will be explain that. I will show you the complete the table. Okay, so which will be showing your complete information. And don't write this document. I will send it to you for you to your through Google Classroom. I'm sending this. Okay, just observe the versions along with the futures. Okay, and let me see guys here. Okay, so what are the versions and the futures here observed? I was prepared some table. We can easily understand here, and we said the first version in 1979. Okay, so 1979 is my first version, and the version name is called as Oracle 1.0. And this version is not public released here, so internally the people will be use this version, but not it was released in the public. Okay, so and 1980s, okay, Oracle 2.0, this is your first public released version in the market. It was introduced here, and along with this basic SQL functionalities like DDL queries, DML queries, DQL, TCL, DCL. So this kind of the basic fundamental queries are they introducing along with your 2.0 version. Then after in 1982, okay, the Oracle 3.0, this is your first portable database. So portable means, yes, we can moving from one location to another. So initially the database servers are very big servers, so because we can't move it, it's very heavy weighted, yes or no? But Oracle 3.0 onwards, they will be design the database servers with moving. That means we can carry from one location to another location, and that is called as a first portable database now. And 1984 Oracle 4.0, in this they introducing RAID consistency method. So how you want to read the data in a accurate manner. So that kind of methods, whatever it was there, we will see in our classes. Okay, now. And 1986 Oracle 5.0, they was introducing client server architecture. So that means up to 4.0, we have only server. The people was directly interacting with the server. That's called as a one-tier architecture. But later 5.0, they was introducing what now? Client separate and server separate. So when user want to connect to my database servers, it's not like that I can directly connect. So instead of directly connecting, they will be preparing one interface here. The client applications are introducing here. So in that cases, what it was happening to us, okay, when user is not having any choice to directly interacting with your database, then of course that was having some security. Okay, so whatever you want to access from your server, that should be accessed with some client tools. Okay, they're introducing some client tools, and user will using that client tool like an interface whenever he was interacting to databases. So that kind of architecture was introducing from 5.0 onwards. So 5.0 onwards, users cannot directly working on database servers. They want to work on databases means they must be use one client tool. That what kind of client tools are there, and what is client, what is server responsibilities, what now, what server internally will do it, what client tools will do it. So this all we will be discussing in our classes. Okay, no, right. And the next one, 1988 6.0, introducing what now, PLSQL. So that means up to 5.0 we have only SQL language, so there is no PLSQL in Oracle. But 6.0 onwards, they're introducing what now, the extension of SQL, that is called as what, PLSQL. So in PLSQL also, so many topics are there, like cursors, stored procedures, stored functions, SRO, triggers, and exception handlings, packages, collections. So many topics are there in the PLSQL. So that part will be second case, we'll check it out. And later in 1992, the Oracle 7.0 version, in this, they're introducing some, okay, features like integrity constraints are they introducing here. So your constraints, why we want to use means the data validations purpose. So that kind of some rules and keys are introducing here. And later, varchar data type changed into varchar 2. Okay, na? So that means up to 6.0, we are using varchar. But when 7.0 onwards, the people was introducing what now? varchar 2. Here, what is the differences between varchar and varchar 2? Some students are asking to you. Okay, no? So varchar data type is called as it is the ANSI people data type. That means American National Standard Institution people, this data type was introduced here. So that ANSI people data type, that's called a third party tool. A third party person data types are they are using. So Oracle was taking that varchar, not its own, it was taking from third party. Okay, na? That is varchar. But 7.0 onwards, this varchar to converting into, varchar is converting into varchar 2. So varchar 2 was introducing Oracle Corporation people. Okay, they was build this data type its own product. Okay, no? So from 7.0 onwards, they avoided to depend on a third party. They was using their own data type. That is what we called as varchar 2. And varchar 2 differences carefully observed. Varchar is a ANSI format data type. Varchar 2 is a Oracle Corporation people designed this data type. Varchar will be occupying space for nulls, but varchar 2 will never occupy any space for nulls. So this is the difference of var and varchar 2. Okay, but now 7.2 or 7.0 onwards, we are using which one? Varchar 2, and it was its own data type. Oracle, its own data type, yes or no? So now, and along with this, they was using stored procedures, stored functions, and triggers. So these concepts also they introducing under 7.0. And after 1997, Oracle 8.0, in this, they using what now? Object-oriented futures. Here, object-oriented futures means it doesn't support at all, but here few things we can implement. One is we called as a encapsulation. The binding of variables, how we can do, okay, na? Procedure functions or function with object, how to bind, so that we have here. And next one is called as the function overloading concepts. So that function overloading or else procedure overloadings also we can implement under in this 8.0 onwards. And along with some object oriented features, they're introducing what now? Table partitions. So how we can do the tables in a partitions wise. When your table is having very large scale data, when the people will be maintaining the table, and from that large scale of data, when you want to retrieve your necessary data, it's a highly difficult. That means searching time is will be very high and more complicated. Yes or no, time consuming process. Like this it was happening. Then what the people will do, they will be divided into some partitions. The partitions means what now? A smaller units. So after dividing into small units, then data fetching is very easy for us. Okay, that how we will do it, that all we can see practically in our classes. And next one is having here instead triggers. So instead triggers they introducing into 8.0. So what is trigger advantages, triggers, how it was using real time. Okay, na? That all we check. And later 1998 Oracle 8i was there. So your I stands for what now? Internet. So your I stands for internet. Internet means what now? Multimedia. So from Oracle 8i onwards, okay, your databases are supporting what now? Multimedia operations like storing image files, storing audio files, storing video files. So images, audio, videos. So these kind of things I can store in my databases. Those are called as what now? Multimedia options. And along with that, they're introducing some methods like roll up, cube methods. Columns are increased table up to 1000. So that means now our Oracle capacity, how much in Oracle, one table is having how many number of columns means there are maximum 1 to 1000 columns you can create in one single table. That is your maximum number of columns. Okay, no? So number of columns we have a limited, but number of rows are no limit. Remember, okay, limit for columns, but no limit for rows, because row is nothing but what now? Data. So data storage wise, there is no limitations. You can store as per your hard disk, 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte or 1 GB now, whatever it is. But there is no limit for rows. That's if anybody asks you, how many number of rows can I store in a single table? If any interview person is asking, you can say unlimited. It's depending on your hard disk memory. But how many columns can be designed in a table means exactly 1000 columns. More than 1000 columns you cannot design. So that was it was going to be increased here. And the 8i extension is called as what now? 9i. In this, what they're introducing, how to renaming the existing columns in a structure of table. And along with that, they're introducing what now? ANSI joins. So that means up to before, the people was using non-ANSI joins are using, but the 9i onwards, they're introducing ANSI also. So non-ANSI joins, ANSI joins, differences what? Okay, and which joins we prefer in real time. So that also we will be discussed. And later, next one, 2004, the Oracle 10G. So here G stands for what now? Grid technologies we called. Okay, na? So here grid means what now? They will be preparing one centralized databases. Okay, na? They was preparing one centralized database. With this centralized database, okay, na, there are different clients devices can be integrated now. So different client devices can be integrated now. So the different systems, client systems can be at a time they interacting with your centralized database with the formation of a grid. Okay, na? So in this way, the connectivity and communication should be happening to all number of multiple client applications can be integrated with your database. So this kind of a grid technologies this introducing here in 10G, and along with that, some introducing admin side operations. Admin side operations means like security related operations. Okay, so how we can provide security for our data which I stored under databases, and along with the introducing flashback queries, indicate of classes and regular expressions. So these are some features in the 10G. G stands for grid. So multiple client applications can be integrated with the one database server. Okay, now that's what. And the 10G extension we called as what now? 11G. This was 2007. It was introducing 11G here. And in this, what it was introducing? Read-only tables. virtuals, integer data types, using sequences, enabling, disabling of your trigger objects. These are the some features. And the next one is up to 11G, the Oracle is not supported cloud computing. Okay, na? But whenever they introduced year 2013, the Oracle 12C, ST stands for cloud. So that means from Oracle 12C onwards, my Oracle application, I have a chance to integrate with my cloud. I have a chance to integrate with my cloud. So 12C onwards, our Oracle is also supporting cloud computing. Okay, na? In this technologies, okay, or in this version, what they're introducing here means truncated table cascades and multiple indexes how to create on table, invisible columns, okay, and the sequence sessions how to create a new auto increment by using of identities. So these kind of features are having in the 12C. And 12C extension we called as what now? 18C. In 18C, some features are there which was completely database admin related features are introducing in the 18C version. What we call here polymorphic table functions, Active Directory integrations. These are completely DBS side options will be introducing here. And Oracle 19C, again that extension was called in 19C. In this also active data guard DML redirections here and automatic indexes how to create it on your table, SQL query and object stores. Okay, na? So up to here, this is 19C and of course 21C also there. But I already said to you 21C present, it was not in the or what we can say companies or whatever. So up to 19C we will be preferred. And these are what now your futures and along with the versions. So in this every future we need to implement that related concepts that we have here, and based on that concepts we are implementing these all futures. And you will see these all futures day by day in our classes, one by one, step by step. You will be see in our course. Understand? Na? So these are what now complete versions. Okay. So now the next important thing is observe. Okay. The versions we discussed now, and I'm just giving here. Okay. Today, what is the day? 20. Okay. So versions of Oracle software. So the versions are there here. From which version we have here? From Oracle 1.02 up to how much now? Oracle 19C. Okay, now this is what we discuss along with the futures. And now come back next. Okay, these are the versions. And now we are using which versions, means that in our classes, we are using which version here? Oracle 19C version we are using, guys. Okay, now, but before you want to interacting with your Oracle database servers, first of all, we should know that our Oracle software is available in how many editions in our real time. Okay, so the software is available in how many editions it was available, what are those, and which edition we are using in our classes, as well as which edition will be preferred in our real world also. Okay, na? So then first you need to working with Oracle, first you should know that the types of editions. After edition, which edition we need to install in our computers, and differences, and later on the editions, what next level we want to do, that all we will be check it out. Okay, na? This is very important to know as a software engineer. Okay, na? Write down types of Oracle software editions. Okay, na? Right. So Oracle software. Okay, now, so here Oracle softwares are available in two editions. It was available, guys. Here, first edition we called as here Oracle Express edition. This is first edition software we have here, and here observe. This Express Edition, okay, how it was working means that this is not a full-fledged software. So this is what we called as it is not supporting all the futures. Okay, whatever we discuss as of now, that all futures we cannot implement under Oracle. This is partially supporting your futures, not full-fledged. Okay, no? So your all futures I cannot implement under Oracle Express Edition. Okay, so what we said, it supports or supporting futures. Okay, partially. Okay, it means what now? Not completely. Not completely. Okay, now, so which kind of things we cannot implement? For example, some futures I will give it now. For example, recycle bin was there. So recycle bin, okay, this future I cannot implement under Express Edition. It may be any version. Oracle 19C Express Edition, Oracle 18C Express Edition, Oracle 11G Express Edition, any Express Edition, okay, of your version, it doesn't supporting what now? Recycle bin. Next, we are not supporting here flashback. Next, it is not supporting purge statements. Next, it is not supporting like partition tables mechanisms, etc. So these kind of the futures cannot be implemented under Oracle Express Edition. By that reason, it was supporting futures partially, not completely. Okay, and the second edition is available in the market. The second edition is called as what now? Oracle Enterprise Edition, we called. Oracle Enterprise Edition, we called. Okay, no? So in this Enterprise Edition, we called as it supports or supporting all the futures completely. Okay, no? Supporting. And whatever we said, these are not allowed. Okay, these are not allowed. But whatever we didn't perform in this Express Edition, the same thing it will be allowed here. The same thing it will be allowed. Okay, so same thing we can use it. So that's why what do you want to do, guys, here when in my classes also I'm going to using Enterprise Edition, and of course in real time also the most of the percentage of companies, okay, almost 80 to 90% of people are using what now? Enterprise Editions, because when you want to implement all types of futures, definitely you have to use a enterprise, and don't go for Express Edition. It was partially supporting. Okay, so in my classes also we are installing Enterprise Edition with Oracle 19C. Okay, na? And how to install I will show you. Okay, then after how you want to work. Okay, so if anybody, suppose some students are already they existing some Oracle, maybe for their other Java purpose, somebody installing Oracle Express Edition, they installed, yes or no? So what do you want to do? Oracle Express Edition, suppose you have already in your computers or laptops here, there is no need to uninstall that software. You just keep it Express Edition as it is in your computer, and separately you can install the Oracle Enterprise Edition. So some people are asking, sir, is it possible that two different versions of Oracle softwares can I install in my system? Means, of course, you can install. Okay, no? You can install Oracle 19C Express Edition or and Enterprise Edition. Okay, both kind of softwares you can install. Nothing problem to you. Okay, na? Some people thinking that only one edition will be installing, other we cannot, but you are not like that. So if you have already Express Edition, you just keep it that and don't remove. Okay, for your further works purpose you can use it, and this course purpose you have to separately install the Oracle Enterprise. So that means your laptop can have a two expressions. That means two editions. Express editions you can keep, nothing problem, and Enterprise. Okay, na? But you should be installed Enterprise edition. Okay, na? If you want to full-fledged this entire the course, you need to practice. So go for Enterprise. And of course, in Naresh IT, people also providing lab sessions. Understand, na? So labs also there. Naresh IT was having almost 100, 200 computers are there in labs. So if anybody practicing purpose, they don't have a laptops, okay, now, so they want to practice, means your lab also there. The lab is available morning 8 o'clock something it was open. So night 8 to 8. Okay, the lab facilities are available. And in that lab also, completely all are enterprise editions. So our system administrators are installing Oracle Enterprise Edition only. So there also Enterprise is available. Okay, and if you have a personal laptops, you can install your Enterprise Edition. But how to install, I will show you in my classroom. Based on that, you have to follow it. Okay, na? But who are not having that, those people can go to daily morning 8 to evening night 8 o'clock. So 8 to 8, you have availability. You can go and practice. So whatever, how much you want to go and practice. Okay, na? That facility is also providing Naresh IT. Okay, right. So these are the two editions are available. So which edition I need to download now? Oracle Enterprise Edition. So now I'm showing now. So after knowing this information, now let me go. How to download? How to download Oracle 19C Enterprise Edition software. Okay, no? So here, I here. Okay. So you don't want to search so much. Okay. Take now. People download. So this is Oracle Corporation official sites. So in this, I'm going to downloading your Oracle database 19C, and carefully observe this data. This software is only for which operating system? Windows. And how much bit? 64-bit. Suppose your laptops, I think the laptops are not there. 32-bit laptops are not there. Almost outdated in real time in the latest version. If you go, okay, no. So, but if anybody having 32-bit computers are there, it is not supported. First thing, okay, no. The software is only for 64-bit. First thing. Second thing is what now? The software, when you want to install, then you have a operating system. What now? Windows. So other operating systems are not allowed here. So that means Mac, okay, Linux, if you have it, that is a separate download mechanism. Okay, na? But this software only for Windows, because generally the students general purpose we are using what now? Windows only. Okay, na? So this is 64-bit Windows operating system only support. Okay, na? Other operating systems are not going for that. Other operating system purpose, you can download a separate Oracle 19C for a Linux, Oracle 19C for a Mac. That you can type in Google, it will come to you. But this is what now? Only Windows. Okay, and come to here. Here you have some download link was the Windows 64-bit. And this is when you're downloading time, it was having in the which format? GIF format. So now first you have to download. But whenever you click on this, what it was happening, it was asking to you, the license agreement, it was asking to you. So I reviewed and accept the Oracle license agreement now. So that means what now? You should activate this checkbox. and go for a download option. You should activate this. But here license means don't don't fear like, oh, I want to pay some money. Yes or no? Actually, it is a price is a cost of a product. This is not free of cost, but some versions we given. Okay, Oracle was given free versions. Okay, so that how we are downloading here, some trial versions only we are downloading. Okay, not original version. If you want to purchase original version, okay, minimum to pay 60 to 75 lakhs you have to pay for Oracle Corporation people, when they will give what now, licensed softwares. Okay, but we are not using for general our practicing teaching purpose. The people are using what now, trial versions. In Amirpet, no one using original softwares. Everyone using what, licensed version, and some databases are open source. Like for example, MySQL, it's a free of cost open source. Okay, that is that. But Oracle is not a free of cost, it is a cost product here, and almost 60 to 75 lakhs in Indian currency. Okay, na? So that is what. But yeah, some trial versions we are going to be, it was providing by Oracle people, so that we are downloading now. So accept this checkbox. When you accept it, can you come out and see your download button was activated, and come back and click on this. So when you click on here, it was asking to the sign in Oracle Corporation. So Oracle account sign in. So username and password you have to enter. But of course, we don't have any username and password in Oracle. So that's what you want to do. Create your account. So create account. Now, so create your Oracle account. Okay, now here some contents was there in your registration form. So should be fulfill this all contents here. And now we can see. So email address, your existing email, if anything is there na, already existing mail ID, you can give it here, and prepare your password and confirmation password. So country, name, job title, work phone, company name, address. So sir, we don't know a company name, what it is. Okay, so simply you can write like this. Suppose I'm giving, okay, my address was sudhakarnareshit@gmail.com. This is my ID. So I will be preparing some password here. Okay, and a confirmation of password. Okay, some password I was given now. Okay, now right. Next you have to, your wish, you can select any country. Suppose I'm going to select like Iceland. Okay, as your wish, anything. And the first name I was given Sudhakar, last name Samuel. Okay, job title SV, software engineer. Work phone, something, it's like simply dummy phone number like that. And company name you can give it, no problem, Naresh IT. Address Hyderabad, city Hyderabad, and postal some number you can give it. But think that, sir, is it necessary to give it my original data? Means no need. So after going to send this and go for create your okay account, so directly click on, and once you click on this create account, whatever the mail ID are you given here, to this mail one confirmation letter will come to you. Okay, now and that in the confirmation, that's called a verification letter, and go to your ID which I was given here. Okay, so whatever the Gmail account you given here ID, go to that, there is a verification link will come to you, just click on that. Once click on, it will be okay, then find out. And after this registration was successfully done, and now come back to sign in. So in sign in process, what is my username? Sudhakar nareshit@gmail.com. Whatever the password you prepared for this account, Oracle account, whatever you given, the password give it, and click on what now? Sign in. When you click on sign in, you will not enter into website. You will not allowed. Just software is downloading. And if you click on sign in, the download will be started. Okay. After starting download, the complete GIF folder, whatever we said now. Okay, now whatever the GIF format, the software will be downloading here with the name of Windows 64 so and so, ID number so and so. So it will be downloading. So after this is what you will be get. Understand na? In which format this is? GIF format. Understand or not? Yes. After getting so many people, what they will do, they will be changing this folder name. Okay, now don't change any name here. Simply remember, if you're changing any name now, it was not properly installing. Later, so many problems will be faced. As it is, whatever you download, as it is, okay, keep it this. And before downloading, okay, what I want to do is GIF format of folder. Now I need to extract. So select this folder, click right mouse button. Okay, and here one option is there. What is this? Extract files, extract here, extract to Windows. Okay, any option you can use, and take first option. What is this? Extract the file option. So this file, if you go to extract now, so it will be come to you some message, and you say like you can click on OK. Once you click on OK, then your extract will be started. And complete extract is over, then it will be showing like a normal folder. Like this folder, it will be showing a normal folder. After getting this folder, then you can go to open that folder, and there setup icon will be there, and click on setup icon. Okay, now so that I was given in this pack. Okay, after download, first step is download. Next, it will come to you GIF folder. The GIF you need to do unzip or extract. Then after, follow my video. Okay, whatever the video I'm going to show to you, that video should be followed. So this is how we can go to downloading. Got it my point now? Yes. After downloading and extracted successfully done, the next question is what now? How to install. How to installing Oracle 19C software. Oracle 19C software. Okay, so now here remember, if I want to install my Oracle 19C in my computer or laptop, so few things are remember. Okay, now what is that? So suppose you have to go for hardware requirements if you want to see what kind of requirements are needed for hardware requirements. Okay, so what you required minimum? Okay, the minimum to minimum, what we can say hard disk capacity, or else nowadays it will come what is now SSD. Okay, na? So in this minimum, okay, HD or a SSD. Okay, na? HD minimum 1 terabyte. Okay, 500 GB minimum. Your hard disk, if anybody using HD, okay, and SSD you can use. How much you can use? 126 or 25. Okay, SSD you can use it minimum level. Okay, no. Next one we called as here RAM. So RAM is minimum 1 GB, or else minimum 2. Okay, minimum 1 GB RAM is enough. If you have a more than that, is a okay advanced to you. Okay, na. So these are the minimum configuration I'm telling now. Okay, na, right. So after here it was taking a processor. Okay, so it will be any processor here, guys. Here, suppose Intel dual core, yes or no, Intel dual 5.0, whatever it was there. So any processor, it will be supported. There is nothing problem. Okay, na? So these are the things you just remember now. Then come to here software requirements. What should be maintained in your computer or laptops? Okay, the first one is okay. I will give it to Oracle software. The 19C should be maintained now. Okay, then after that was required, and the next one what it was there here, Windows 10 or else 11 or above. Okay, na? So but Windows 7 is not allowed, not supporting here. Windows 8.0, 8.1, of course 8.0 is not available. 8.1 is there in the market, but 8.1 also not supporting. So your systems must be have Windows 10 or above. Okay, na? So 10 supported, 11 supported, but less than 10 not supported here. That should be maintained. These are the minimum configurations. Okay, now so your hard disk minimum 500 GB, RAM 1 terabyte, otherwise SSD 126 or 150, 224, whatever you can use. Processor, any microprocessor like Intel dual core. Okay, now anything you can use. Software, these two maintain. Okay, now Windows and Oracle 19C. So Windows 10 and 11 should be maintained after that. Now I need to start my installation process. Okay, let me see. So I'm showing here installation process, and carefully observe. After that, this video also I'm uploading into your Google Class. So in the last class, I recorded this video. The last batch purpose I recorded. Okay, let me come out and see. So now, as usual, okay, now you will be see step by step. So this is your folder. You will get it here. The Windows, some folder you will be get like this. Okay, now what I'm saying here. After that, you just extract these files. So now I'm going to extract your files here. Okay, this video I will forward to you. Okay, don't worry. So after you are doing extract here, complete it will be extracted your folder. Okay, right. After extracted, you will get a normal folder. You will get, see, this is your rar zip folder. Okay, after extracted, you will get a normal folder type. You will be get now. So after getting this normal, and this folder should be open now. So after open this folder, you will be go to top of the like bottom. You can go, and there is one icon was there. Okay, can you see this icon? So the red color button icon was there. What is the icon name here? Setup. So this setup icon, you just come out and click on here. So after click on this, okay, now you will be get this command prompt here, but don't close this command prompt. You just keep it as is, and you will get a 19C Oracle wizard. The wizard will be open now. Up option is called as a setup software only. In these two radio buttons, the first radio button should be selected, and of course by default it will be selected already. Okay, if it is not selected, then you should go and select the first one. Okay, don't select the second one. Okay, first one. And after selected, come back to your next button. I just click on next here. Okay, so after click on here next, what is the next step here? You will be get again two options are getting. One is a desktop class option. One is a server class. In this two, you have to select the first one. Okay, don't select the server. Okay, first one select here and click on next button. Then after click on next, in the third step, you will get some account details. So by default, it was selected user. Okay, user virtual accounts. Okay, that is by default. But next you have three options are there. Use existing Windows user account, or create your new Windows user account, and use a Windows built-in account. So of course, creating new Windows and existing Windows, if you don't know any idea about these two, then which one you have to select? Third option, use Windows built-in account. Automatically, what is your built-in account is there at the time of OS installation, which built-in account is there, that automatically taken. So now which one you select here? Use a Windows built-in account. Okay, I selected this. So come back to fourth one, select here and click a next button. Okay, after selector, it will be get some alert. What is the alert here? If some message is coming to you, you have selected to use built-in account for installation and configuration of Oracle Home. Are you sure you want to continue with this? Then say what now? Yes, I want to continue with my built-in account. Okay, I want to click on yes, and automatically the next step it will go. So click on your yes option. Okay, now the next important step here, observe. See, here I will show you some points, practical observe. Oracle base. Okay, the base means what now? In which location you want to install your software, that should be selected. Of course, generally our software installations purpose, we are separate drives was the C drive, some we are going to be keeping now. Yes or no? So in which drive location you want to install your software, the drive should be select now. Next one is software location. My software is where it is in my computer. My software is under F location. Next, the database file location. So automatically here, whatever the path you selected, the same path will be your file also. Okay. And now here you can see which software this is. Oracle Enterprise Edition. I'm not taking any Express Edition. I'm taking what now? Enterprise Edition. That should be remembered. Next, character sets. So character set here, Unicode. Why I selected Unicode means Unicode is nothing but universal supported characters. So different types of national languages characters can be stored under databases. That what is Unicode? Coming soon in classes, I will explain to you. And after that, it was asking to me one global database name. And this global database name is very important for especially Java, Python, .NET students. Okay, now whenever your Java application with the help of JDBC, when you're connecting to Oracle application, so there it will be asking connection string. In connection string, SID will be there. System identification, or that ID is nothing but a global database name. So whenever your Java application, you need to connect to Oracle, Python application connecting to Oracle, .NET application connecting to Oracle, PHP applications connecting to Oracle. Okay, there you have to use your ID is what? ORCL. So your which name are you given here? This is your SID for your connectivity purpose, front-end connectivity to back-end. Okay, na? So don't confuse, especially advanced Java who are learning Java students, advanced students don't forgot it, this SID. Okay, then after that SID by default it was given ORCL, and this name don't change. Understand? Na? Yeah, is it possible, sir? I can change my own wish name means no, it's not allowed. Only ORCL by default it will come to you. Okay, na? That keep it that name. And below it was asking next a password. Can you see the password? So password and confirmation password. So here you can give your password, and password also very simple passwords. Give it. Okay, now so don't give a high level passwords. Are you keeping any confidential information? No, na? Any personal data, any letters, anything storing in this? No, na? So that's why somebody is giving very, see, password is created by you. Your password you will create it. After 1 or 2 days, what happened? So they will come to me, sir, my password भूल गया sir. आपका पासवर्ड है वो, आप क्रिएट किया है, within 2 days में forgot it. Okay, na? Then you are bringing to your laptop, sir, I forgot it my password. Can you again recreate? I will recreate. There is nothing problem. But why that much difficult password you are keeping? The password, even though you can't remember in 1 day also. Simple password is enough now. Password, keep your name. Your name, keep it. Satya keep it. Suma keep it. Over na. योर नेम तो यू फॉरगॉट नो होगा ना, आपका नाम तो आपको याद रहेगा ना, और आपका नाम भी फर जाएगा। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना, कोई गजनी नहीं है ना, गजनी। डू हैव एनी गजनी मेंटालिटी? नो ना। So simple password give it. Somebody given passwords. I'm telling that you also see one student was given like very lengthy name here. Subramanyam Chari at the rate underscore 1991 at the rate some again. The password almost having 20 to 25 character password. So I didn't believe why you are giving that much password. Sir, this is my name, sir. This is my date of birth, sir. किस ईयर में मैंने पैदा हुआ है वो ये ईयर है सर। मतलब आजकल people they forgot it their birth year also. Underscore 1991 at the rate 2901. That means ये पैदा कब हुआ है? 2901 1991 में पैदा हुआ सर। मेरा नाम है सुब्रमण्य चारी। गजनी लिखेंगे ना, गजनी इसका बॉडी में मेरा नाम क्या है विथ डेट ऑफ बर्थ से। आपको भी ऐसी कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा तो आई कांट डू एनीथिंग, बट व्हाई दैट मच? ओके यू डिड, ओके ही वाज टेकन दैट देयर विश, ओके आई डोंट कमेंट ऑन दैट, बट कैसे रहना, याद रख के रहना। 2 दिन होने के बाद सर पासवर्ड भूल गया सर, फिर हम चेंज करेंगे पासवर्ड, वो भी 2 दिन रहेगा, फिर आएगा सर पासवर्ड चेंज किया सर। Simple passwords, keep it. This is not any business data or else any confidential security data you didn't keep here. Just what purpose? Practicing purpose. Okay, na? So keep it this. So enter your password and confirm password. After that, can you see here one option is already activated? Create as a container database. So this checkbox activation should be deactivated. That means remove. After remove, you just come back and click on next. But here have a question. Can you see guys here in this, we are created password, but do you have any username? Is there any option is there? Username is given? No, but I'm creating what? Password. So you have a question. Sir, your username is not there, user ID is not there, but it was asking to me password. So your password something I was given 123. Okay, confirmation 123. So this password for which user purpose I want to use, sir? Okay, now that kind of doubt is coming to you. So this password should be used for, okay, to whom you want to use it means, okay, here by default, when you want to installing your Oracle software, some predefined user names are along with software, it will come to us, which was given by Oracle Corporation people. Some default user IDs. In that user ID, one of the user ID is called as what now? System. What is the name here? System. So this is your user ID. Carefully remember, it's a default and predefined this is, which is automatically along with your software, it will come. Okay, na? And for this user ID purpose, are you created what now guys? Password. And here, whatever the password are you given at the time of installation, this installation password is belongs to which user? Which user? System user. So this password used for whom? System purpose. System is a default user ID. Clear? Okay, that is what. So okay guys, so now this all observe now. Now see, I'm going to changing here modifications I'm doing now. So I'm taking a C drive, C location /app, and everything will be there, and come back to here's my what we called password also I'm creating now. Okay, so here C, in which drive I'm going to install? C:/app. So whatever your base is the same, your file location also C:/app/ Ora data. Automatically it will come to you. So now after that, let me see, I'm going to preparing my password. And here I was given password is a tiger. Okay, now my username is system, my password is tiger. So here I already show you in okay, run command prompt here. I was given which password I was taken here. Okay, so tiger and confirmation tiger. After that, this checkbox should be deactivated now. So I'm going to deactivate this checkbox and click on next. Okay, after click on here, it was asking to one message here. Careful observe. The admin password, admin means what? System. The admin password entered does not conform to the Oracle recommended standards. But okay, no problem. I can say yes. Click on your yes button. So I'm going to click on that yes. Then it will be checking your internal configuration in the system, whether your hard disk, RAM, okay, and Windows operating system, all configuration things are checking. After that, let me come one by one. You can see here very important. So Oracle Home User NT Authority /system, that is my built-in account now, and installation method desktop. And can you see database edition? Which edition? Enterprise edition. So where you installed C location, your software having in the system F location, portal number 49157, Oracle port number. This is okay now. This is what this information keep. Next, come to the very important here. Now we can come out here. Configuration, general purpose or transaction processing. What is this? Can you remember types of databases? How many types? 2 types. What are those? OLTP, OLAP. OLTP stands for online transaction processing. Now tell me, Oracle is what? OLTP or OLAP? OLTP. This is confirmed now? Confirm or not? Yes, it was clearly showing transaction processing purpose. I'm using this database, not analysis purpose, analytical purpose. Analytical means what now? Data warehouse. That is separate software. Okay, right. So transaction. Next, what is your global database name? ORCL. This is what I said. SID. System identifier. This is what is the name? Your global database name is nothing but SID name. That's why this SID name is asking. When it was asking to you, whenever your Oracle, Java, Java, .NET, Python, PHP, any UI form designing application by using of any technology, when you connecting to Oracle database software, then your SID name is what now? ORCL. Okay, now? So there you have to remember ORCL. That is your connectivity ID. Okay, now? With this ID name only, are you connecting to database? Front-end application connecting to back-end application. Okay, now? Right. So later, this is allocating some memory, 6518. Some these are not necessary. Leave it this. Okay. And after finally, it was come to which button? Installed. And now I'm going to start my installation. Okay. Installation, it will take minimum 45 minutes. Minimum. 45, sometimes maximum 1 hour also it will take. So that's why don't hurry. Thoda patience also we need. Somebody is not having patience, but keep patience, and it will take, first I'm telling, minimum 45 minutes will take to complete installation. Okay, na? So after that you just keep it your laptop and do your works, no problem. 45 minutes. But ये नहीं हो रहा सर, नहीं हो रहा, जाकर एक मार देगा तो फिनिश हो जाएगा. Don't in between, don't break it. Sir, ये बहुत time लग रहा है करके somebody closing shut down the systems. Yes or no? Don't do like this. That's why initially I'm telling it will be minimum 40-45 minutes, maximum 1 hour also taking. So that's why At least 1 hour time you just leave for the software and keep one side in your room or hostel, whatever it is. Okay, na? Don't touch in 1 hour. In between, come and check what it was happening. Okay, right. And one more thing, when you get better installation, better to keep your internet connectivity. This is one more request. Okay, na? Whenever you want installing in this part, installation level, compulsory activate your internet. So I think all of you have a mobile data. Otherwise, you have a Wi-Fi in your hostel. Yes or no? So active your internet and do this process. Because in between, why I'm telling this? Suppose in between while installation level or while at the time of downloading level, if any .dll files are missing, DLL means dynamic link libraries. Every executable file is having so many supporting files. Those supporting files are called as a .dll. Okay, now one executable file .exe is only one for one software. And for that executable file is nothing but set of file purpose. There are so many supporting files out there for software. In the supporting file, if any file is missing, okay, if you have an internet connection, automatically at that point of time, it automatically download and installing. If you're not activated your internet, what happened? That a DLL file is missing. That's what happened. Half of the installation, it was showing some error. What is the error? 32504. Okay, so IDLL is missing. So please check your installation process. This kind of problem sometimes we are facing. Yes or no? That's why keep your internet also. Okay, better. So after it was doing like this, but here I'm just dragging this because it was taking 45 minutes like okay, fine. That's over. After installation, you will get this message now. The configuration of Oracle database was successful. Understand now? Once you have to get it here, the final you have to go close your application. Okay, sir. I just close. Okay, na? Clear? After closing, what my next step? What I want to do? Okay. After closing here, then see, now you need to do connection. So installation is happening. After installation, whether your system, your software is successfully installed or not. Okay, you have to confirm that once again for your side. Then go to services. Go to services. Services no na? Yes or no? This is your services. All apps related things are having here. So go to this services now. Okay. I will type my services in search button. Okay. I just open. After open your services, there are so many services are there here. In this, what I want to see, Oracle service is there or not there? Check it out. Yes. Come back here. So now you will get Oracle related things you will be getting. These are, you can see. Can you find out here? These up to here, these are Oracle related things. Okay, na? Right. Registers or services. And can you see what is this? Job scheduler. Do you know na? What I was explaining the previously? OLTP to when transfer your data from TP to AP, in between the people will preparing what now? Job schedules. How much time they want to set to transfer my data. Job scheduler. Okay, service this is. Some listeners. Okay, this listeners when it will be useful means front end to back end communication purpose using. And in this all, which is most important, sir? Here means this is your server. Oracle service, but it is main server. And can you see your global database name is there now? SID. What is SID name? Last one you can see. What is this? ORCL. Suppose in case, if you forgot it, your SID, forgot it, your global database name, okay, then you can come to services and see the name is there, ORCL. This is your SID. for connectivity levels. Okay, now use it. Now Oracle Services ORCL, this is which mode? Which mode? Running mode. So when this services, Oracle Services is available in my computer, in my services, and that was in a running mode. If these are compulsory, if it is there, then you confirm that my Oracle is successfully installed. If it is not showing here, okay, then remember you did something wrong. Understand? If it is not showing, you just confirm that I did something wrong. Okay, so this is what you should be remember for confirmation purpose. What should be there? What should be there? Oracle Services, which mode? Running mode. Okay, now this is final option, you can check. After that, now you have to go all programs, go to your all programs as usual, and come back to here you can see one folder, you will get it now. What is the folder name? Oracle OraDB 19 OM1. This folder automatically come to your all programs, and now this folder I just go to expand now. So I just go to expand this folder. Okay, I just expand here. After expanding, there are so many tools are there, but where you want to go, sir, means that your tool is this one. What is this tool? SQL Plus. This is my tool. Okay, na? So this is called a client tool. I said na, client server architecture. This is called my client tool name. So SQL Plus. If it was showing in this, okay. After showing, what you want to do? Then you have to click on your SQL Plus. So I'm taking shortcut here, and now click on here. Once you click on, see what it was happen. Once it was click on, it's not like that, guys. Here, see, you can't directly work on database. So that means when I open, it was showing SQL Plus so and so release version 19.0 version. Okay, so and so rights all are reserved for copyrights are there. Okay, and now what it was asking to me? Enter username. So that means, what do you understand? Unauthorized people, they can't directly work on databases. Who will work? Only authorized people. So now if I want to connect to my server, after connecting, then later I want to communicate with my database. Then how I can do means, first initially it is asking username. Understand? So in this username, okay, I don't know as of now my personal user account. So that's why what initially in the starting moment, what you want to do, you have to use a default user. What is the default user? System. Now I want to enter system. What is asking? Password. What is my password? Tiger. At the time of installation. Yes or no? Remember na? So at the time of installation, what I was given? Tiger. Now I'm typing Tiger. Tiger. I typed here. But whatever you typed here, it was not showing, not visible, because of reason security. Okay, the passwords are, we can't see. So, but you correctly type and entered. What's happened? Are you connected? Yes. Are you connected? Connected to what? Oracle Database 19C Enterprise Edition. It's not Express Edition. It is a Enterprise. So this is what the connectivity is. Okay, now in this connectivity, after successfully connecting to your Oracle server, and then after you have to do your operations. Creating table, insert, update, join queries, subqueries, procedure, functions, whatever you want to do, you can do now. Okay, now? Right. But here, observe carefully. So when I'm asking, sir, here my password I didn't see now, but I want to see at the time of typing. Then you have to write like this. System / what is the password? Tiger. Okay, whenever you wanna see your password, what you typed, then you have to go to use /. Then username, password is also visible. Understand now? But your username, password, one more point, important point is what now? Case sensitives are there. Okay. So in this case, again I'm connecting. Suppose system is there. System, small case characters I'm using. Next I'm using what now? Uppercase characters. Okay. Tiger I'm using uppercase, or tiger I'm using small case letters. I connected. So that means now tell me, my user ID, it may be capital, it may be small, whatever it was. Nothing problem. But problem is where? Password. Now password is always in the lower case here. Now you can see. Now again I'm connecting. Okay, system. My password, suppose I was entered in the capital. Understand now? See what happened. Invalid username. Okay. Suppose you can see connecting with the capital system, capital tiger. Can I? Invalid username. So that means here, which is case sensitive? Password. Username, you can type either upper or lower, but password must be case sensitive. In which manner are you design your password at the time of installation? Same password. First character capital, capital. Smaller, smaller. Special character, special character. So as it is, it be. Yes or no? So here user IDs are not a case sensitive, but passwords are case sensitive. Are you clear now? Up to here, okay now? Now, so that means finally I just exit my app. That versions and about some introduction also. So today, na okay. So introduction of Oracle. What is what? The versions we discussed. Okay na, and each version along with the software and types of Oracle software editions. Yeah, 2 editions are available in real time. And what is the differences and which edition we are using? Enterprise. How to download Enterprise edition. Then after how to install. Installation requirements. Clear na? Right. So this is minimum awareness on your what we called Oracle. And guys, your Google Classroom, may somebody's created or not. Yeah. Akhil, are you there? Akhil is not there. Huh?
Hello.
Akhil, Google Classroom is created?
No, sir. Presently, maybe on Wednesday, everyone should be getting.
Okay, fine. Because Srikanth was given some class code to me to give it of offline students.
Okay, just Wednesday. On Wednesday, I will be shared it, sir.
Okay, then Srikanth was given one class code to me. That is what it is.
I don't know. Actually, I'm out of the office because my father in hospital. So come to the hospital. Just give me some time. I can update you.
Okay. And one more thing, Akhil, maybe not today. Tomorrow, you just keep your recording videos up to today. Huh?
Okay.
That links you just keep it in chat box. Okay, I will send.
I already sent it the bank details and the recording videos also, sir.
Yes. That all details you can keep tomorrow. Okay, na. So Google Classroom. Okay, no problem. Okay, na.
Okay.
Okay, right, Akhil. Okay, guys. Actually, this person was given Google Class code, but he was saying that not created. Anybody check it out your Gmail accounts? Open it. Which user I take it on Gmail account, refresh karo. Check it out your Gmail account, refresh it. I got it. No, but I got it. Did you get it? Google Class. One second, guys. Login. Okay. This is small introduction about Oracle first class. Clear all of you now? Come on, guys. No sound here. Come on. A sound. Today, who are the first session also? This is your first class. Okay, na? Don't worry. पीछे कुछ नहीं हुआ है. अब से स्टार्ट हुआ है, हाँ, हिंदी पीपल, हाँ, 21C, same configurations. If you want to download, there lastly you can go to 21C, you can type here 19C is there na, in place of this keep it to 21C, it will come to you, okay na, right, same configuration, same thing, okay. If anybody interested to go to 21 also you can use, no problem. Okay, so tomorrow, okay, we'll go for the next how to create our own user accounts, okay, after connectivity, our own user account, how to create it, how to create our user ID passwords, how to changing password, if you forgot it your password, how I can recreate, if you forgot it your user ID, how to recreate my user IDs. So this entire connectivity process I will explain to you tomorrow. Understand all of you now? Clear? Tomorrow class don't miss guys, because tomorrow is a main important class for Oracle software. Okay, right guys, so thank you so much, and tomorrow we will meet. Okay.